Yo, what's up, everyone? You're welcome back. So it's been a while, guys, ever since I gave you my analysis, guys. Yeah. So, but then today I'm gonna share you some of the pairs that I do have on my watch list for this week, guys. Yeah. So on the screen we're having NZD cards. Yeah. So before I start, guys, if you're new in my channel, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, guys. Yeah. So this channel, guys, I appreciate those who already did subscribe, and then and also those who are constantly watching my videos, guys. The channel is growing, guys. Yeah. So let's take this channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so that I can share uh, more often, guys. Yeah. So we're having NZD CAD right now. So with NZT CAD, guys, we can see that the price it has been pushing to the downwards like this. But then remember that not always when the price is pushing to the downwards, we should be looking to the sell positions, guys, because of I think this thing had some form of an impulse right here. Now the price is in a correctional phase. I'm anticipating the next impulse, but then it's a matter of where should we enter, guys? Yeah, but then for this one, guys, let me try to zoom in on my 4 hour time frame, or should I rather say let me zoom in on my current price, guys, yeah, to see what's happening. So from what I see, when it comes to this pair, guys, I see the price it already gave me some form of a nice pattern here. So let me just mark it right and show you what do I mean by that. I do have some form of this pattern here. Yeah, I think it's something like this actually. Yeah. So with this type of a pattern, I normally anticipate the price to come and reach where the market structure started. So if we're gonna focus in this area here, it is where the price started pushing to the downward. So we anticipate the price to come and hit this area here where it started this kind of a move, guys. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna go to 1 hour time frame and see if we do have a change of character. Then that's when we're gonna be looking for the buy positions. Yeah. So if I may zoom in right here, guys, this was our low right here. The price also did change character here. So actually this was our last low before the price pushed to the downwards. So I'm gonna mark this one as a change of character. Let me quickly mark it. No, it's a change of character, this one. Yeah. Well, what's happening? It's here. We do have a change of character in this case, and then here we had a break of structure. So let me just name this one break of structure and quickly it loan it. So the price has been pushing to the upside, guys, breaking those previous highs, having a break of structure here, and we're having another break of structure in this case. So remember that it's order blocks that causes break of structure, guys. Yeah. So what I'm anticipating right now, guys, remember that I said the first continuation pattern after the price uh, breaks the pattern, guys, has high probability of playing out. So what do I mean by that? I mean, since we were inside this channel, guys, so after the price it has broken out this channel, guys, so if we could wait for the first continuation pattern after the price did break that channel, guys, it has high probability of playing out. So remember that we're trading Falcon and SMC right here, guys. So when I be looking for those two types of entries, guys, meaning the Falcon entry and SMC entry. So how I'm gonna analyze this one is actually we're actually having a Falcon pattern here or Falcon structure that we anticipate that the price is gonna come to the 90% rule here, but then we are not yet involved in this trade. We just have to look for the entries, guys. Yeah. So how I'm going to look for entries when it comes to this one? Uh, let's say we had those break of structures, and then we did have order blocks that have been mitigated. So this one here it failed. I think we have some form of an order block around this area. I'm not sure. I think around this area here we do have an order block. Then the price did come in respect to that order block. Now I wanna come and focus actually on the current order block or the recent order block. So we do have an order block here that the price did came and mitigated, but then I'm not gonna take this one since it is in a premium area. I focus on the I focus on the order blocks that are in a discounted area, guys. Yeah. So sorry for that, guys. Yeah. So we do have this order block right here and this one right here. So the price already mitigated this order block, but then we're not yet involved since we do not believe in such order blocks that are in the premium area, guys. Yeah. So how I'm gonna take this entry here, guys, with Falcon entry, I mean with SMC entry, guys, I'm gonna anticipate the price to come and mitigate this order block, giving me some form of a continuation. I mean, some form of a reversal pattern around this order block here. Then I'm gonna take a buy position. So my next target when it comes to Falcon is gonna be on this high here. So I'm gonna keep on looking for the price to come and mitigate those order blocks, then continue pushing to the upside. So just gonna try to scale in when the price gives me something like that. But then this one is gonna be I mean the SMC entry. So the Falcon entry, look at how I managed to draw a market structure there or this forecast, guys. Yeah. Should the price give me something like this, guys, I'm gonna take this one as a Falcon entry. Remember that after every impulse there's a correction. So where a nice impulse, small correction, larger impulsive move. Now I think the price it might be it might be creating a larger correction, guys. Yeah. So should the price give me an entry around this order block and respect this channel, guys, that's gonna be the Falcon entry, guys. So remember, since we're trading both of these two strategies, so an entry here is an SMC and Falcon entry, so it's gonna be a nice entry. This one should the price give us what I just said, guys. Yeah. So this one it's simple, guys. This is how I'll be taking NZT CAD this week, guys. Yeah. So but then for those who are actually targeting these areas, I mean, if I may start this one here, take it to around here. So the 90% of this channel is gonna be this one. But for me, I'm gonna target that area at the top there. Yeah, so it's easy this one, guys. Yeah. So the other pair that I'm gonna share with you is gonna be Euro USD. On Euro USD, simply what do we call it's simply smart money, guys. So look at the way in which the price is pushing to the downwards. We have a series of lower lows and lower highs. So it's okay with this one. So I'm not gonna talk much about this one. Let me just mark this thing. We're having a break of structure here. I know that we do have a lot of break of structures, but then I'm gonna focus on the current ones, guys. Yeah. So let me quickly clone this one here. We do have a break of structure here. I think it was inside this one. And another brick of structure here. Can I take this one as a brick of structure? Yeah. So let's see what the price did after it broke those lows, guys. Yeah. So with this order block that we are having, I think here the price came and mitigated this order block. I think the order block was there. So here we had a nice Falcon pattern that the price did respect, but then unfortunately we were not focusing on this pair. So right now what I'm seeing it's something like this. Here we also had a continuation pattern. Remember that, guys, I told you that the strategies that are working together actually. So Falcon, it's impulse correction, impulse. Smart money is a lower lows and lower highs, a series of those, guys. Yeah. So how I'm gonna go with this one, guys? Remember, we had a nice impulse correction. Now we're in an impulsive phase. So with regard to what already happened, guys, so the price hasn't come and respected this order block here. So we should take this one into consideration. And now the price, I think, I'm not sure if this order block was enough or something like that. But then let's see. I think we do have an order block here. Not sure if it's enough for us to trade this trade, but then for me, it's not enough. I'm gonna disregard this one, guys, because of this liquidity that is being built above here. So with this order block, guys, should the price come and mitigate this order block, I'm gonna take this one here. I'm gonna take a sell position here. Since we're in a downtrend, we're looking for the sell positions. Simply smart money concept here, guys. Yeah. So we have an order block. We have some form of a huge imbalance actually somewhere around this area. We have a huge imbalance here. We're having a liquidity that is being built here. It's actually below this order block here, making it the valid one, guys. Yeah. So there's no much to discuss about this one. We just have to focus on this order block. But then, should the price not give us something like that? Remember, we're trading two strategies, guys. I'm gonna look at the way the price in which it's gonna create a pattern around here. So, should I get a nice continuation pattern here? I'm simply gonna take a sell position here, but then the position at least should be the entry should be confirmed actually. If I get a confirmed entry here, I'm gonna take this one to the downwards. I don't know where I'm gonna target this one, but then remember, guys, as I told you that I'm not a fan of stop losses actually. So I'm just gonna lock the profit. Should the price come in, I mean, should the price take me in here, gonna start looking profit while we take out this low here. Then I'm gonna let the market to do whatever it's gonna do. But then let me see on my 4 hour time frame. Where is Euro USD actually going? Okay, nice. We have an area of interest around here. So actually, where I placed my target is actually at the right place. So it's traded as a ratio of 1 is to 2 actually. But then it's gonna depend on the way in which the price is gonna be created around this area. But then for now, it's okay to have a ratio of 1 is to 2, guys. We are still in the safe side, guys. Yeah. So this is how we'll be taking these two positions, guys. But then I still do have some other pairs that I'll be focusing on. I just wanted to share with you only these two forex pairs, guys. Yeah. So I hope each and everyone is gonna get value out of this video, guys. Yeah. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, guys. We're closer to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I mean, help me to grow this channel, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. I hope you're gonna have a profitable week, guys. Yeah. Cheers.